Imagine a transport portfolio ranging from just a few grams up to 10 tons, all from one supplier anywhere in the world. That's the fit you need for your assembly line. Hi, my name is Marco Scharf. I'm based in Germany and I'm working for the FlexLink application engineering department for 4 years. Our team works closely with the customers to develop solutions that elevate production to the next level. In module and pack assembly for automotive and energy storage, flexibility, speed and quality are crucial. With FlexLink and our new brand AMC, you get a full scope supplier. From small consumer cells to heavy SUV battery packs, our conveyors are tailored exactly to your needs. Our modular systems are designed for fast installation and seamless integration. Standardized buffer principles ensure smooth line balancing and functional solutions for coating, cleaning, testing or sorting, making the process reliable. By using standardized components, we ensure short delivery times to help you reduce spare parts inventory, scale up quickly and achieve top performance. And it's not all about conveyors. Our advanced robotic systems automate even complex assembly tasks with precision. With our wide transport and automation portfolio, you gain flexibility, speed and the global support of a trusted partner. Do you have challenges in your pack assembly line or want to stay ahead of your competitors? Connect with FlexLink and turn your challenge into an advantage. Start configuring your line.